In the peaceful village of Gokul, a new day has just begun. The birds are creeping and the village women are busy chatting outside their homes. Suddenly, one of them exclaims, "Again, my butter pot is empty." Another laughs, "It must be that naughty Krishna again." And there he is, hiding behind the wall, peeking with a smile. Little Krishna. His eyes sparkle with mischief and he quietly watches the ladies talk. Krishna tiptoes into one of the houses, then spots a butter pot hanging from the ceiling. Quietly, he scoops butter with his tiny hands and puts some in his mouth. Inside home, Mother Yashoda is churning curd with full energy. Thud, thud goes the pot. Yashoda turns around. "Krishna!" she shouts. Krishna laughs and runs away. Yashoda chases him around the courtyard holding a small stick. Finally, she catches him. Krishna looks up with big teary eyes and says softly, "Amma, I was just a little hungry." Yashoda's heart melts. She smiles, wipes his face, and pulls him into a warm hug. "My silly little butter thief," she says lovingly. They both laugh together. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.